welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody's doing well. Today I am unboxing my second diamond painting from newcraftday.com. So this is the second diamond painting kit that I received from newcraftday.com this morning. I have already unboxed or unbagged the first one, which was a mandala, a very brightly coloured mandala. So this one is also very brightly coloured. When they contacted me and asked me if I would be interested in doing another review, this time I thought I like brightly coloured diamond paintings, so I'm going to look for very bright pieces this time. So the mandala is definitely bright. I think this one could actually be brighter. So it comes in the bubble wrap envelope, which came in a grey bag. Both diamond paintings were in the bag and came wrapped individually, and they are just glued at the end with pretty strong glue. So open this one up and see what we get. So this one is folded with the picture in the way, so no clues to what it is. And the first thing I'm going to do is have a look and see what's inside. Just check. Okay, nothing else inside there. So we have the goodie bag, which is the standard pink pen, diamond painting pen. We have the green tray, and we have a square of pink wax. Now this is the absolute basic, but it is all you need to diamond paint. You don't need anything else. So standard kit, totally standard kit. So that's that. Then we'll have a look at the drills. And the hard part is trying to find the edge. So these bags open this way. There's a long strip of glue. Just open that up, and then you can noisily take your drills out. And we'll see. They come in a string, and they are numbered 1 to whatever, so that's bag 1, 2, 3, and if we go to the end, we should find out how many colours we've got. It came in 2 pieces, so this one ends at 20. This one starts at 21, so we should have 24 colours. If you happen to get more than one bag of the same colour, for example number 21, say we had 3 bags of that, it would be 21, 21, 21, then 22. So it's just always the number at the end. So we are looking for 24 colours on the key. And before I forget this time, we'll have a little look at the drills. So they are round drills, and they are nice and loose in the bag, which means there is no oil from the machinery or anything. It can sometimes happen. So what you're checking for is that the drills can move freely in the bags. You can also have a look just to see the quality of them, that they are round and they're not misshapen. They don't have little bits sticking out or anything like that. Just look absolutely fine. So no problems at all. Nice and shiny as well. So we have 24 colours going by the bag. We have 24 colours, so what we have to do now is just check. So as I said, this should be a very colourful diamond painting. Yeah, I would say that that was very colourful. So the first thing we want to check is that we do have indeed 24 colours. So you can see we have number 1 all the way down to number 24. So we've already checked it, we've got all the colours. Now again, because the canvas is folded and not rolled, you get these creases, so it's more obvious usually in the back. You see these waves, this is actually wanting to curl back under. The first thing that you want to do is flatten the canvas. So what you do is you put the canvas flat. You could put it underneath your mattress, a lot of people do that. Put it underneath your mattress and leave it for a few days and that will flatten it. Or you could get some heavy books and sit them on top for a few days and that will also flatten it. You don't want to start working on this when it's wavy like this, because it will stay wavy like this, and if you try and hang it, you will see these lines because the drills will be at different angles to the light. What you want is a nice flat canvas, then the diamond painting will look its absolute best. So we have at the top, it just says diamond painting. We have a little thumbnail, which on the smaller ones you don't really need because you can see the whole thing, but they can come in handy on the big ones. Just a reference number, and then we have the size, which is 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters, which is 30 centimeters across, 40 centimeters down, and then the key. So this is what we use to decide where the drills go, the different colours, and we also have the DMC codes. So these numbers are specific to certain colours. The normal one that I talk about is 310, which is black. So if you see DMC 310 in any diamond painting kit from any company, 310, you'll find that they are always black. 666 is always lava red. So that's how they keep track of the colour. You know, if it's 154, it will be the same colour in any kit. So you can actually keep spare drills and just mark the bags with the DMC code. That way, if for example you were on your next diamond painting and you found out you were missing some black, you would go and find the spares that you had from this kit and use them. 310, it's the same colour. So it comes in handy for that. You know exactly what the colour is. Okay, so we have a clear cover, so poured glue, and again I'll peel it back just to let you see the glue if I get it in the light. So this is what your drills stick to, and there are no air bubbles or creases or lumps or bumps or anything like that. So that is perfectly flat, which is what you want. Then we get a close-up and we are looking at the actual print. This one is pretty busy. It's going to take a little bit of concentration, just because there are so many colours together. You can see that some of the numbers are black and some are white. So I mean, it's all readable, it's just because it is so busy, but it won't be a problem to read. I don't actually know what this is called. I know this is another like art hobby that people use paint and put little spots and make intricate designs. I'm sure somebody who's watching this will know exactly what it's called and probably will do it. So if you do this as a hobby, please drop in the comments what it's called. This is too artistic for me, because you need a very steady hand to make these things, but they look really cool. So I went the easy route and I'm doing a diamond painting of them. So that's pretty much it. Nothing else I can say really. Again, I wanted to go for colour and I think I definitely got it. So another very nice diamond painting from newcraftday.com. Newcraft Day are a budget diamond painting website. They have a lot of diamond paintings on there, but they also have paint by numbers and cross stitch if you're interested in either of those. Diamond painting is definitely my thing. I'm not going to dabble in anything else. I'm quite happy diamond painting. So I went for colour this time, and definitely got colour. So that is pretty much it. Just a recap. Basic kit, which is what you would expect from a budget company. Just the basic kit, the basic what you need, and you don't need anything else to do a diamond painting. So you get everything that you need to diamond paint, and the print is very clear. The canvas is folded, which needs flattened out. Apart from that, no problems. Clear print, no double print, missing print, no air bubbles in the glue, nothing like that, nothing to worry about. The main thing is just flatten the canvas before you start, and it makes all the difference. So that is it. If you like this picture, this particular one, I will put a direct link in the description, so you can go straight to it. Or if you just want to check out newcraftday.com website and have a look at everything they've got, I'll put a link to that as well. But be warned, there is a lot to look at. So it might be a good idea to sit down with a cup of coffee and spend quite a bit of time browsing. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video, as always, please subscribe and hit the notification button, and you will probably find more unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, all that sort of stuff, anything to do with diamond painting. You may also catch me live on YouTube Live. I do random lives where I come on and I'm working on whatever my current project is, and I just chat to diamond painters that drop in from all around the world, and we just chillax. Is that a word? Yeah, we chillax. We talk about everything and anything. The weather is a good one because people drop in from all over the world, and it's quite interesting to hear what they're complaining about, whether it's the snow, the rain, the sun, the lack of sun, whatever. So if you're interested in dropping in, again, subscribe, hit the notification button, and you'll get a little message when I go live. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.